So let's continue the discrete mathematics now. So in the last class, what we have done, I think till the antisymmetric relation. So in the last class, I think we have done antisymmetric relation. Today we'll start the asymmetric relation. Today it is Saturday, Sunday, huh? Weekend class. So last class में antisymmetric ही हुआ था ना? Okay. So next is asymmetric relation. Asymmetric relation. What is asymmetric relation? Asymmetric relation means if it is x relate y, if it is x relate y, then x, then y doesn't relates to x, right? If it is x relate y, this type of ordered pair is there, then this type of ordered pair is not allowed in case of asymmetric relation. Clear? For all x comma y, for all x comma y that belongs to set A. This is the definition for asymmetric relation. If it is x relate y, then y relate x, means a reverse case. That is not possible in case of asymmetric relation. Let's see the example. So here A is a set with three attributes 1, 2, 3 and sorry it is element. That is three elements 1, 2 and 3. So what will be the A cross A? A cross A means it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. This is what A cross A. Okay. So what can be the asymmetric relation? Let me take relation R0 which is empty. Okay, we'll discuss later about this one. Next it is R1. R1 is 1 comma 2. Yes. If it is a 1 comma 2, then tell me it is a symmetric relation or not, it is antisymmetric or not, and it is asymmetric or not. What about symmetric? It is symmetric or not? First one, it is symmetric or not? No. So this one is a not a symmetric, because if it is 1 2, then 2 1 should be exist. So it is not a symmetric. What about antisymmetric? It is antisymmetric or not? So Ekta saying yes, it is right. So it is antisymmetric also. It is antisymmetric, not a symmetric, it is antisymmetric. What about asymmetric? Yes, this relation is asymmetric also. This relation is asymmetric also. Why? Because it is saying if it is a x relate y, then y relate x is not possible. तो y relate x तो यहाँ पे है नहीं, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? It is asymmetric type. Let's see second R2. R2 it is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, or it is 2 comma, let's see this one, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Yes, what about this one? It is symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric. Yes. Okay, it is no means not asymmetric. Yes means it is antisymmetric, and no means okay. So one thing, this is symmetric because it is 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 1 is given, means it is symmetric. What about antisymmetric? It is not a antisymmetric. Why it is not a antisymmetric? Because in case of antisymmetric, if it is x comma y and y comma x, then x should be equal to y. मतलब ये किस कब पॉसिबल होगा? ओनली इन केस ऑफ डायगोनल, राइट? इसका मतलब ये एंटीसिमेट्रिक नहीं होगा. What about this one? Asymmetric. This is also not asymmetric. Why? Because of this definition. If it is x relate y, x relate y, then it is a y related, y not relate to x. तो x relate y तो ये हो गया, तो y not relate to x ये अलाउड नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? इसका मतलब ये एसिमेट्रिक भी नहीं होगा. Got it? Okay, what about next one? R3, 1 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Yes, now it is symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric. Yes. Yes. What about R3? It is symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric. What will happen? Okay, not a symmetric. Sandeep, how can it be symmetric? Okay, other are saying no, yes, yes. Okay, let's see. So first one is what it is symmetric or not. Due to this one, it is symmetric. What about this one? If it is 3 comma 2, then 2 comma 1 should be there for a symmetric, right? But it is only 3 comma 2. 2 comma 1 is not there. So it means it is not a symmetric. Not a symmetric. What about antisymmetric? So if it is antisymmetric, diagonal is allowed, no problem. So this case is this ordered pair works fine in case of antisymmetric. What about this one? 3 comma 2. If it is 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, then 2 comma 3 should not be there in case of antisymmetric, है ना? Because अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होगा? वो फिर से प्रॉब्लम करेगा. इसका मतलब ये एंटीसिमेट्रिक है. What about asymmetric? Yes, asymmetric. In this case of asymmetric, what it is saying, if it is x comma y, means it is a 1 comma 1. x और y क्या है? 1 1 है. तो y और x क्या हो जाएगा? It is 1 1. Again it should not relate to this one, but it is relating here in this example. 1 comma 1 यहाँ पे आ रखा है ना, तो ये कह रहा है अगर ये आ गया तो इसको मैंने रिवर्स लिखा, इसको जब मैं रिवर्स लिखूंगा तो भी क्या आएगा, 1,1 आएगा, और जो कि एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। इसका मतलब इन केस ऑफ एसिमेट्रिक डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर नॉट अलाउड। In case of asymmetric, diagonal elements are not allowed. So this is not a asymmetric. This one is not a asymmetric. It is only antisymmetric. Yes, got it? Yeah, it is not a asymmetric. Okay, let's see the last example. If it is a R4, R4 means it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, what about this one? It is symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric. Last one, R4. No, yes, yes, okay. No, yes, yes, no, yes, yes. Let's see. What about symmetric? If it is 1, 2, 2, 1 should be there. So it is not a symmetric case. Not symmetric. What about antisymmetric? If it is 1, 2, 2, 1 is not there, no problem. 3, 1, 1, 2 is not there, 1, 3 is not there, no problem. And here also no problem. So it is antisymmetric. What about asymmetric? So in case of 1, 2, then 2, 1 is not allowed. So 2, 1 is not there. If it is 3, 1, then 1, 3 is not allowed. So it is there. And if it is 2, 3, then 3, 2 is not allowed. So it is not there. So finally what we can say, it is asymmetric. So this relation is asymmetric. Okay. So till this part it is clear or not? It is clear to all? Okay, it is clear to all, then it is good. So next thing, what about this one? R0 or R0 we can say. It is symmetric, antisymmetric and asymmetric. Yes, it is symmetric, antisymmetric and asymmetric. What about this one? Okay, it is all true. What about others? Anyone want to go with Ekta? It is all true. Oh, all true. Let's see. This is what a empty. In case of empty, there is no problem in case of symmetric. हाँ, symmetric में condition क्या होगी, x relate y, y relate x. अगर ऐसा कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा तो no problem. It is symmetric. What about anti-symmetric? Here it is anti-symmetric or not? Yes, definitely it is anti-symmetric because it is not violating the condition. And same thing is happening in case of asymmetric also. It is not violating the condition. It is asymmetric also, right? So it is symmetric, anti-symmetric and asymmetric also. So empty is failure in case of reflexive. Other than reflexive, it is true. Okay, then tell me, what is the cardinality of the, what is the cardinality of a smallest asymmetric relation, cardinality of smallest asymmetric relation, and what is the cardinality of largest asymmetric relation. ओके लार्जेस्ट की मुझे ये बता देना इस वाले केस में व्हाट विल बी द कार्डिनलिटी. लार्जेस्ट एसिमेट्रिक एग्जैक्ट फिगर बता देना यहाँ पे. और ये क्या हो जाएगा स्मॉलेस्ट एसिमेट्रिक, इट इज जीरो. ऑब्वियसली दिस वन जीरो कार्डिनलिटी. And what about largest asymmetric relation? What will be the cardinality here? It is n, and I think it is not correct. n is not correct one. Exactly n की फॉर्मेट में नहीं बतानी है मुझे, इस एग्जांपल के अकॉर्डिंग बता दो क्या रहेगी. Anu is saying 3, maybe it may be correct. Sandeep 3, Monica 3. Okay, let's see. So for the largest asymmetric relation we can say this is not allowed, this one is not allowed, this one is not allowed, means diagonals are not allowed. Okay, after that if I am taking this one, then I cannot take this one. If taking this one, cannot take this one. Taking this one, cannot take this one. So finally what we can say, it is a 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. This is what 3. Okay, if we generalize this one, then what should be the cardinality? अगर इसको जनरलाइज कर दिया जाए, that I am saying that say set A having 1 2 3 up to n elements, right? Then cardinality of A equal to n. Then what will be the largest asymmetric relation? Oh, Ekta is saying it is 8 for the largest one. Ekta, 8 is not right, it is wrong. Okay, it is 2 power n. Okay, 2 की power 3, 2 power n is wrong. मैंने कहा कि सेट ए में कितने एलिमेंट है, n एलिमेंट है, तो इसकी ए की कार्डिनलिटी क्या होगी, n, है ना. तो मुझे ये बताना कि इससे जो एसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन बनेगा, लार्जेस्ट एसिमेट्रिक रिलेशन बनेगा, उसकी कार्डिनलिटी क्या होगी. Yeah, and it is correct. N square minus n by 2. Why it is n square minus n by 2? Assume that if it is n elements here, then it will be n diagonal elements, and they are not allowed, right? And total are n square. Total are n square. So how many remaining are there? Remaining are these, right? These are n square minus n, right? But out of that ordered pair मुझे क्या करना है, इस तरीके से कॉम्बाइन करना पड़ेगा, है ना। और इनमें से क्या कर सकता हूँ, एक ही ले सकता हूँ, आइदर आई विल टेक दिस वन और दिस वन, आइदर दिस वन और दिस वन, इनमें से एक ही चूज करना पड़ेगा। इसका मतलब कितने ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बच गए यहाँ पे, हाफ। Half means I will divide by 2. So finally what we can say, this is what the cardinality. If it is a equal to n, then cardinality is n square minus n divided by 2. Okay, इस एग्जांपल में 3 कैसे आया था, इस एग्जांपल में 3 ऐसे आया था कि n इक्वल टू क्या था यहाँ पे 3, तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, दैट इज 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 3 डिवाइड बाय 2 विच इज 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3 is 6 divided by 2 which is equal to 3, right। इस वजह से ये 3 आया था यहाँ पे, क्लियर। So I think it is clear to all, yes or not? Yeah, Monica, it is correct. Okay, fine. So next we'll calculate the total number of asymmetric relation. Let me rub this one. Yes. Next is total number of asymmetric relation possible with n elements in set A, right? So what we can say, there will be a set A, and this set A containing n element, and so on up to n elements. Then what will be the A cross A? It is A cross A equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, up to so on n comma n, and after that it is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, and so on up to, okay, x comma y we can say, and y comma x. Yes. So this is what A cross A is given. Then try what will be the total number of relation possible. Yes, try for this question. Okay, Monica is saying it is 2 power n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay. But I think it is not correct answer. It is nearby, but it is not a correct answer. Ekta also it is 2 power n square minus n by 2. Still it is not correct answer. Yeah, what about others? It is not a big problem. Already we have solved such type questions. Okay, so let me solve this one. What it is given? A cross A. So we can say cardinality of this one is, cardinality of A is nothing but cardinality of this one, which is equal to n. So total elements, sorry, it is a n. Then what will be the cardinality of this one? It is n square. So total elements we can say it is n square, or total ordered pairs are n square, right? This is what n square. And how many diagonal elements are there? Diagonal elements or diagonal ordered pairs are, it is n, right? Okay. So in case of asymmetric relation, we cannot take diagonal ordered pairs. So we cannot take this one, right? We cannot take any of a diagonal ordered pair. So how many are remaining? So remaining are, it is a n square minus n. These are the remaining ordered pair. Out of these ordered pair, what will happen? I will take the, I will combine these ordered pair like, right? And here I have three choice. I can take either 1 comma 2, or either 2 comma 1, or it is none of these, right? Same thing happen here also. Either I can take this 1 comma 3, or I can take 3 comma 1 and none, and so on. So finally I will have to take a half of these, right? And I will have to take half of these, and each one having this ordered pair having what a, or this combination having three choice. So finally we can say it is 3 power n square minus n divided by 2. So what we can say, it is n square minus n divided by 2, and base is 3. So it is 3 power n square minus n divided by 2. So it is clear. Yeah, what about others? ओके, थ्री वाला केस ये होगा कि मेरे पास क्या है कि ये वाला 1,2 और 2,1, ये मैंने क्या कर लिया, एक बॉक्स में रख लिया, है ना? ऐसे ऐसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है, उनको क्या कर लिया, बॉक्स में रख लिया, 1,3 और 3,1 टाइप के। तो उस बॉक्स में से या तो मैं ये वाला निकाल सकता हूँ या ये वाला निकाल सकता हूँ। ये दोनों नहीं लेके आ सकते, ये दोनों ऑर्डर्ड पेयर नहीं लेके आ सकते एक इकट्ठा, या फिर इनमें से कोई भी ना निकाले, है ना? तो मेरे पास थ्री चॉइस होंगी इनको चूज करने की, आइदर आई कैन टेक दिस वन, और आई कैन टेक दिस वन, और नन ऑफ दिस। ठीक है, तो इस वजह से क्या आ रहा है, इट इज 3 पावर n स्क्वायर माइनस n। ठीक है, थ्री थ्री इस वजह से आ रहा है। Got it, Neeraj? Good. So we have seen the total number of asymmetric relations. Okay. Next point. Okay. Next thing, we'll see where asymmetric relations are closed. We'll see where these asymmetric relations are closed. So we can say asymmetric relations are closed under, और इसमें क्या देखना है, ट्रू और फॉल्स. ठीक है. So first one is asymmetric relation is closed under the subset operation. Subset operation. Right? It is closed under subset operation. Second, it is superset operation. Superset operation. Third, it is a union. Union operation. Next, it is intersection operation. And next, it is a set difference operation. Set difference operation. And next is the complement operation. Yeah. Now we know that how to find out it is close or not close. So in this one, which statement is true, which one is false? Okay, Sandeep saying this one is a true. A true, B false, C true, D true, E true. Okay, you can match with my answer. Okay, so first one, subset operation. It is closed under subset operation or not? So let me take this one. It is a relation R1 assume, and R1 is a 1 comma 2. So this is what a asymmetric type relation. And if I take subset of this one, what can be the subset of this one? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1. Okay, that may be 5 also. So empty relation, that is possible to be, और exactly same ये वाला भी हो सकता है सबसेट के केस में. 1 comma 2, दिस ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. एग्जैक्टली सेम, दिस इज ऑल्सो एसिमेट्रिक। एम्प्टी का केस भी क्या हो सकता है, एसिमेट्रिक, राइट। अदर केस ऑल्सो पॉसिबल दैट विल बी एसिमेट्रिक टाइप, बिकॉज ऐसा कोई भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर वहां पे होगा ही नहीं जो 1,2 और 2,1 टाइप का होगा या डायगोनल टाइप का होगा, तो उसका सबसेट भी ऑब्वियसली क्या होगा, दैट विल बी एसिमेट्रिक टाइप। So first one is true. So this one is true. What about B? This is superset. Superset means if I am taking this relation, this is what a asymmetric relation. Hmm? And what can be the superset of this one? Superset of R1. Let me say it will be R2, which is 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 1. Now this is what superset of this one. ठीक है, तो 1,2 इसका सुपरसेट क्या है, ये वाला है। बट इस सुपरसेट में क्या हो रहा है, डायगोनल एलिमेंट है, डायगोनल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर की वजह से ये क्या नहीं होगा, एसिमेट्रिक नहीं होगा, राइट। तो एक काउंटर एग्जांपल मिल गया। फाइनली वी कैन से इट इज नॉट क्लोज्ड अंडर द सुपरसेट ऑपरेशन, सो दिस इज व्हाट फॉल्स। व्हाट अबाउट यूनियन ऑपरेशन? वी हैव टू that relations. Let me say one relation is this one same 1 comma 2, this is what asymmetric type, and second relation R2 which is also symmetric type, which is 2 1, this is also symmetric, right? If I take union of these two, R1 union R2, which is equal to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, but this is not a asymmetric, this one is not a asymmetric. So finally what we can say, union is not closed, this asymmetric relation is not closed under the operation union। ठीक है, एक काउंटर एग्जांपल मिल गया, मींस दिस इज आल्सो फॉल्स। तो किसी ने ट्रू भी बता रखा था क्या, बी फॉल्स, सी ट्रू, but C is false, C is not true. So till this part it is clear or not? Yes, it is clear or not? Okay, good. So next is intersection. What about intersection? So in case of intersection, this asymmetric relation is closed. Why? Because this relation is asymmetric type, this is also asymmetric type, तो उसमें से ordered pair जो choose करेंगे वो भी क्या होंगे, कॉमन वाले। और कॉमन वाले क्या होंगे, ये भी एसिमेट्रिक है, ये भी एसिमेट्रिक है, तो कॉमन जो आएगा दैट विल बी दैट इज आल्सो एसिमेट्रिक, राइट। सो if I take the intersection of R1 R2, so what will be the intersection of this one, it is 1 comma 2 or something, no it is 5, so 5 is also asymmetric, ठीक है, empty relation that is also asymmetric। तो क्या क्या कह सकते हैं, फाइनली वी कैन से इट इज क्लोज्ड अंडर द इंटरसेक्शन। ये तो एक काउंटर एग्जांपल है, ऐसे से कोई भी एग्जांपल उठा लेना जिसमें क्या होगा, R1 एक एसिमेट्रिक टाइप होगा, R2 एसिमेट्रिक टाइप होगा, और डेफिनेटली क्या होगा, इनका इंटरसेक्शन भी एसिमेट्रिक टाइप ही होगा, राइट। सो इट इज क्लोज्ड, सो वी कैन से asymmetric relations are closed under the intersection operation। What about set difference? It is closed under set difference or not? Let us see it is closed or not. Okay, let me take an example here. It is 3 attributes, then ordered pair will be like a, it is 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, and 2 comma 3, and 3 comma 2 also. So let me take a relation R1, and R1 is what, it is 1 comma 2, and it is 2 comma 3, and it is 1 comma 3 assume, and R2 is the relation in which it is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma, or it is 3 comma 2, assume 3 comma 2, these ordered pair. So by looking this one, it seems that it is a asymmetric. Definitely it is asymmetric type. This asymmetric. What about this one, R2? R2 is also asymmetric because it is 1 comma 2, so 2 comma 1 is not given, 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3 is not given, so it is asymmetric. So these two relations are asymmetric type. And if I take the set difference of this, it is R1 minus R2. If we take the set difference of this one, 1 comma 2, it is cancel out with this one, and 3 comma 2, it will not cancel out. So what is the remaining in this set or this relation? So in this relation, 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3, right? This is what remaining. And after the set difference, it is also asymmetric, right? So this after this difference operation, it is still asymmetric, right? So we can take any relation which is asymmetric type, further any relation which is asymmetric type, and if we do the difference of that one, it will be always asymmetric type, right? It will be always asymmetric type. So we can say asymmetric relations are closed under the set difference operation, right? So it is closed under the set difference operation. Okay, let's see the next one. Next is a R1 is a relation which is 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 3, assume. This is what asymmetric type relation. This relation is asymmetric type. And if I take the R1 complement, R1 complement. So R1 complement is nothing but A cross A minus this R1. So other than these ordered pair we can say. ठीक है, तो इसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या आएगा, अदर देन दीज ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. अदर देन दीज का मतलब क्या हो गया, 1,1 2,2, इस तरह के ऑर्डर्ड पेयर भी आएंगे, है ना. अगर इस तरह के ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आएंगे, दैट आर नॉट अलाउड इन केस ऑफ asymmetric relation, means a diagonal ordered pairs are not allowed in case of asymmetric relation. So finally we can say this is the counter example, or we can say that asymmetric relations are not closed under the complement operation. So this is what false. So it is clear. It is clear to all. Okay, if it is clear to all, लिख के दे दो. Okay, fine. Next we'll discuss about the transitive relation. So next one is transitive relation. So, what is the transitive relation? So, in case of transitive, we can say that a relation R on set A is said to be transitive if X relate Y and Y relate X relate Y and Y relate Z, then 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 this X relate Z also, right? So then X relate Z for all X comma Y that belongs to set A, right? This is what the definition for the transitive relation. What is the definition? If a X comma it is X relate Y and Y relate Z, such type ordered pair are given, then we can say this X relate Z also, right? तो ये भी true होगा. Clear? So this is what the definition for the transitive relation. Now let us see what are the transitive relations. So here assume A is a set with again three elements 1, 2 and 3. So A cross A is what? That is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. After that it is 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 and it is 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1 and after that it is 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2, right? So first one is this one, R naught is the relation which is empty, so we'll discuss later about this one. Next is R1. So R1 is 1 comma 1 assume, this 1 comma 1. Now tell me this relation is a transitive or not. By this definition, can you tell me this is what a transitive or not? Yes, above relation is transitive or not. Yes, tell me about R1. So Sandeep saying yes, Ekta also yes. Yes, what about others? Mukesh yes. So if it is 1 comma 1, then it is definitely transitive. So what can be the 1 comma 1? We can say it is a 1 comma 1. If it is x, it is y. then if we write down this one reverse, uh, or another thing 1 comma 1, चलो ऐसे भी अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं 1 comma 1, this is what है 1 comma 1 again, then this is what x comma y, then we can say this is y comma z, assume, right? So क्या होगा x comma z, this is again 1 comma 1, और 1 comma 1 क्या कर रहा है, एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. सो फाइनली डायगोनल क्या नहीं करेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा. डायगोनल से ट्रांजिटिव में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, इट इज ए ट्रांजिटिव, राइट? दिस वन इज ए ट्रांजिटिव. व्हाट अबाउट सेकंड वन, रिलेशन R2? R2 is a transitive or not? Again it is yes. So let's see how it is transitive. If it is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma, okay, let me say it is x, this is what y, this is y, then z. Okay, if it is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 is here, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि यहाँ पे अगर ये दोनों सेम होंगे तो यहाँ पे ये भी क्या होना चाहिए, इसके साथ सेम होना चाहिए, है ना? सो ट्रांजिटिव केस में क्या होगा, इफ इट इज 1 comma 2 and it is 2 comma 2, then we can say it is 1 comma 2 also. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, then 1 comma 2 also there. So 1 comma 2 exist कर रहा है ना, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, this is also transitive. This is also transitive. What about third case, R3? R3 again, yes. Okay, let's check. So 1 comma 1 don't have any problem. Okay, after that this one and this one is matching, तो ये भी क्या होना चाहिए ये वाला ordered pair होना चाहिए. If this one and this one is matching, so we can say this ordered pair should be there, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is there, yes, definitely this one 1 comma 2. Okay, after that we can say this one and this one is matching. So क्या होना चाहिए, 1 comma 1 भी होना चाहिए. So 1 comma 1 is also there. ओके, और एक क्या बनेगा, इफ इट इज 2 comma 1 एंड 1 comma 1, इसका मतलब ये मैच कर रहा है तो ये भी क्या होना चाहिए, मैच करना चाहिए. 2 comma 1 टाइप का ऑर्डर पेयर भी वहां पे होना चाहिए. तो इसका मतलब 2 comma 1 भी होना चाहिए. So is there 2 comma 1? Yes, 2 comma 1 is also there. So finally what we can say, okay, एक केस और बनेगा, if it is 2 comma 1 and it is 1 comma 2, so this one is matching, तो ये भी क्या करना चाहिए, ordered pair होना चाहिए, 2 comma 2 type. So it should be 2 comma 2 type. So 2 comma 2 is there or not? 2 comma 2 is not there. ऐसा होगा ना, if it is 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2, ऐसा है ना, it is 2 comma 1 1 comma 2, इसका मतलब ये मैच कर रहा है. y जब मैच कर रहा है तो क्या होना चाहिए, x और z भी डिराइव होना चाहिए, ऐसा ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनना चाहिए, 2 comma 2 टाइप. So there should be 2 comma 2 also. So here 2 comma 2 is there or not? No, there is no 2 comma 2. So finally what we can say, it is not a transitive. Got it? Yeah, last case it is clear to all. Last case is not a transitive case. ओके, लास्ट केस मैंने बोला, फिर से बताना है क्या, कंप्लीटली फिर से बताऊं या लास्ट जो बताया है मैंने वही? संदीप, R3 को फिर से रिपीट करना है, R3 कंप्लीट. ओके, is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1। ठीक है, ये वाले ऑर्डर पेयर है मेरे पास। तो 1 comma 1 ये तो प्रॉब्लम करेगा नहीं। फिर क्या बन सकता है, एक एक कॉम्बिनेशन ये बनेगा ना, इफ इट इज 1 comma 1 एंड 1 comma 2। तो ये वाला मैच कर रहा है ना वाई वाई, यहाँ पे भी देख लो ये वाला वाई, ये वाई जब वाई से मैच करेगा तो क्या होना चाहिए, एक्स और जेड ये डिराइव होना चाहिए, इस तरह का ऑर्डर पेयर होना चाहिए, एक्स रिलेट जेड टाइप होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, 1 कॉमा 2 टाइप्स का ऑर्डर पेयर होना चाहिए, 1 कॉमा 2। सो 1 कॉमा 2 इज एग्जिस्टिंग देयर और नॉट, यस एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, सो नो प्रॉब्लम। व्हाट अबाउट नेक्स्ट केस, नेक्स्ट केस कैन बी if it is 1 comma 2 then 2 comma 1, if it is 1 comma 2 then 2 comma 1, right? So here y is matching, तो क्या होना चाहिए, 1 comma 1 टाइप का एक ऑर्डर्ड पेयर होना चाहिए, so there should be 1 comma 1 also, so 1 comma 1 is there or not, yes there is 1 comma 1। नेक्स्ट केस क्या क्या बन सकता है, नेक्स्ट केस कैन बी 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2, राइट, ये वाला केस बनेगा। सो 2 कॉमा 1 इसका मतलब ये y मैच कर रहा है ना यहाँ पे 1 1, तो क्या होना चाहिए, 2 कॉमा 2 टाइप का ऑर्डर्ड पेयर भी होना चाहिए, देयर शुड बी 2 कॉमा 2 टाइप ऑर्डर्ड पेयर। सो 2 कॉमा 2 इज एग्जिस्टिंग हियर और नॉट, नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग, इफ इट इज नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग वी कैन से दैट इज नॉट अ ट्रांजिटिव, दिस केस इज नॉट अ ट्रांजिटिव। यस, got it or not Sandeep, it is clear? So I hope it is clear to all. Okay, so it is clear to all. Let's see next one, R4. R4 is what a, let me write down, it is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and assume this one. Yes, try for this one. It is a R4. Try for R4. It is a transitive or not. Try for R4. It is a transitive or not. Both yes. Mukesh is saying yes. Okay, let's see it is transitive or not. R4. R4 it is transitive or not. So if it is 1 comma 1 no problem, 2 comma 2 it is not problem. But what can be the cases? Case can be 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. It is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. So here this y is matching, so 1 comma 2 type ordered pair should be there. 1 comma 2 should be there. So 1 comma 2 is there or not? Yes, 1 comma 2 is there. So it is, it doesn't have any problem. What about next case? If it is 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 2. It is 1 comma 2, then 2 comma 2. This one. So 2 is matching with the 2, means y is matching with y, then this should be there. 1 comma 2 should be there. 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is there. No problem. What about next case? If it is a 1 comma 1 and this one 1 comma 3. If it is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 3. So this 1 is matching, means y is matching, so 1 comma 3 should be there. So 1 comma 3 is there or not? 1 comma 3 is there. So no problem. What can be the next case? Is there any combination remaining? So any combination 1 comma 2 और 2 comma 2 ये चेक हो गया. 1 comma 3 का हो गया. 3 comma, there is nothing, no combination remaining. So finally we can say everything is fine and this is what a transitive. This case is transitive. So जो 9 बता रहे थे वो राइट कर लेना. This is transitive. कौन सा 2 2 और 1 3? 2 2 1 3. हाउ कम इट पॉसिबल? कौन से वाले लेने होते हैं मुझे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर? कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन चेक करना होता है? ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन चेक करना होता है मुझे. जब ये y इस y के साथ मैच करेगा तो क्या होना चाहिए? x गोज टू z, इस टाइप का ऑर्डर्ड पेयर होना चाहिए, ये वाला. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे y मैच कर रहा है क्या? y मैच नहीं कर रहा ना यहाँ पे. ये 2 है, ये 1 है. अगर ये y मैच नहीं करेगा तो फर्दर चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, जब y मैच करेगा तभी क्या करना है? फर्दर इस कंडीशन को चेक करना है. ये कंडीशन फर्दर देखनी है कि x रिलेट z होगा या नहीं. कब चेक करना है? जब y मैच करेगा. y मैच नहीं करता है तो नो प्रॉब्लम. यस, गॉट इट और नॉट? नो, y मैच नहीं करेगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कंडीशन वॉयलेट नहीं हो रही है. ठीक है ना? हाँ, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. जैसे मैं ये बोल दूं कि यही दे रखा है, ये रिलेशन दे रखा है. यस, बताना जरा. ये वाला रिलेशन ही दे रखा है R6. R6 में ये दे रखा है 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. Assume this is given. Now tell me, this is a transitive or not? Yes, this relation is a transitive or not? दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. Relation R6 is given. R6 में ये दे रखा है 2 comma 2 and it is 1 comma 3. Now tell me, it is transitive or not? Okay, it is transitive. True. Okay, so anyone having doubt in R6? No. So finally what we can say, if it is a 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3 is given, 2 comma 2 don't have any problem, 1 comma 3 is given, so we'll have to check the combination. Combination is what? If it is a x and y, they are same, तो अगर ये इक्वल होंगे तभी तो कॉम्बिनेशन फर्दर चेक करेंगे ना। सो एक्स, सॉरी ये एक्स कॉमा वाई हो गया, ये वाई कॉमा जेड हो गया। तो यहाँ पे y मैच नहीं कर रहा ना, तो फर्दर मुझे ये चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि x कोमा जेड होगा या नहीं, राइट। तो डायरेक्टली क्या बोलेंगे, दिस इज व्हाट ट्रू केस, नो प्रॉब्लम, दिस 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 रिलेशन इज व्हाट ट्रांजिटिव टाइप, ठीक है। तो ये रिलेशन क्या होगा, ट्रांजिटिव होगा, बिकॉज दिस वन इज नॉट मैचिंग। तो अगर ये मैच नहीं कर रहा तो डायरेक्टली क्या बोलेंगे, दिस इज ट्रांजिटिव, क्योंकि ये कंडीशन को वायलेट नहीं कर रहा है। या व्हाट अबाउट R5, A क्रॉस A, A cross A is a transitive or not? A cross A is a transitive, okay। तो मैं यहाँ पे A क्रॉस A को ट्रांजिटिव के लिए क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये मान रहा हूँ कि एलिमेंट दो है, तो A क्रॉस A क्या होगा, अगर दो ही एलिमेंट होंगे सेट में तो ये हो जाएगा 1,1, 1,2, और लेट मी से इट इज 2,2, 1,2 एंड 2,1, ठीक है। कुछ कम केस होंगे तो देख क्या करना, एनालाइज करना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। So it is say 1,1, 2,2, 1,2 and 2,1. This is what a transitive or not. Let us see. So if it is 1,1, so what we can say, there can be the combination like 1,1 and 1,2. If it is matching, y is matching, then it should be exist 1,2. So 1,2 type ordered pair should be there. 1,2 is there, yes. So no problem. What about next case? The next case can be, it is 2,1 and 1,1. Now this one is matching, so there should be the ordered pair like 2,1. So it is 2,1. So 2,1 is existing or not? Yes, 2,1 is existing, so no problem. What about next one? If it is 2,2 and 2,1, 2,2 and 2,1, then this y is matching, then there should be the ordered pair like 2,1. So there should be 2,1 type ordered pair. So this is also matching there, 2,1 is there, so no problem. What can be the further case? If it is a 1,2, then 2,2. So y is matching, it means there should be 1,2 also. So there should be 1,2 also. So 1,2 is there or not? Yes. So we have checked all the cases. After that we conclude that all the cases are satisfying, and finally this is what transitive. So this is what transitive. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, A cross A is also transitive. Yes, A cross A is always, it is a transitive. So it is clear to all. Okay. So let's see the next thing. What is R naught? R naught is transitive or not? Yes. What about R naught? R naught is transitive or not? Relation R naught is transitive or not? That is empty. Okay, किसी को नो भी लग रहा है क्या? Oh, ठीक है. So this empty relation is what? It is also transitive. Why? Because it is not violating this condition. Empty is not violating this condition, right? So empty इस condition को violate नहीं कर रहा है, तो finally क्या कह सकते हैं, this is also true. Okay, now what will be the cardinality of a smallest antisymmetric, sorry, it is a transitive, smallest transitive relation, so it is 0. ठीक है. What about a largest? Cardinality of largest transitive relation. What will be the cardinality of largest transitive relation? N square. Okay, so cardinality of largest one is what? It is A cross A. A cross A में कितने ordered pair होंगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Why it is 9? Because cardinality of this is 3. अगर इसकी cardinality 3 है तो इसकी cardinality क्या होगी? That will be 9. ठीक है. A क्रॉस A की कार्डिनलिटी 9 होगी, तो इसका मतलब लार्जेस्ट क्या रहेगा? 9. 9 इज नथिंग बट 3 स्क्वायर. ठीक है. 3 स्क्वायर, इसका मतलब अगर जर्नलाइज किया जाए, इफ कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ A इक्वल टू n, देन कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ A क्रॉस A इज व्हाट? इट इज n स्क्वायर. Cardinality of A cross A is n square. So finally we can say largest transitive relation is what? It is n square. Okay, now tell me what will be the total number of transitive relations. Total number of transitive relation possible with n element in a set A. Total number of transitive relation with n element in set A. Total number of transitive relation possible with set A having n element. N square relations, n square. So in case of transitive relation, we cannot calculate exactly how many relations will be there. So here we can't calculate. Exactly, right? We cannot calculate exactly that how many transitive relations will be possible with a n number of एलिमेंट इन द सेट ए। ठीक है, एक काम तो कम हो गया ट्रांजिटिव के केस में, है ना, ये कैलकुलेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा। सो एग्जैक्टली ऐसा कोई थ्योरेटिकल फॉर्मूला नहीं है कि कैलकुलेट करेंगे, राइट, तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। हाँ हाँ, शॉर्टकट का सर। नेक्स्ट, properties से लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन, सबसेट, सुपरसेट, it is less than, greater than, super subset, superset, proper subset, proper subset, proper superset, and a division, right? So बताना जरा, इन सभी केसेस में ट्रांजिटिव सेटिस्फाई करेगा या नहीं करेगा? शॉर्टकट ही बताना है। ओके, मैं शॉर्टकट ही बता रहा हूँ, एनालाइज खुद करके देखना इसको फिर, ठीक है? तो in all these cases, in all these cases transitive is satisfying, right, or in all these cases it will be transitive relation। ठीक है, शॉर्टकट बता दिया, in all these cases it will be transitive relation। got it? कैसे आएगा? you analyze this one, because ऐसे क्वेश्चन हमने कर लिए हैं। डन? oh, welcome Sandeep। next is equivalence relation। next relation is equivalence relation। ज़्यादा हो गया? इट्स ओके। ओके, नेक्स्ट रिलेशन इज व्हाट? इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन। वो कल करते हैं, उसके बाद रिलेशन क्या हो जाएंगे? खत्म हो जाएंगे, राइट? अच्छा, उसके बाद कल हमें कुछ और डिस्कस करना है रिलेशन में ही, कि जैसे relation between the asymmetric and symmetric, relation between the symmetric and reflexive kind of questions we'll do। And tomorrow definitely relation is over, after that we'll do the that poset toset, that one, or either we'll do function firstly, right?